And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
The time right now is 6:44 on this Tuesday morning, and what a gorgeous view from Sky 5 we have in McAllen. When you look at that sunrise on the horizon, all the colors, the orange fades into the blue, absolutely stunning with just a few high clouds overhead, and it's because the skies remained relatively clear overnight with just these few little clouds that our temperatures actually took a dip and got pretty chilly. So let's go back to the map. I'll put the temperatures on the board right now in La Rosita. It's right around 41 degrees. It's 49 in San Juan as well as Las Palmas. And good morning to you in Willamar. You're currently at 48 degrees. The winds are light and your dew point right around 44. So that puts us in the middle of the dry category on the First Warn 5 muggy meter. And it looks like we're going to stay anywhere between the 40s and 50s today. So it looks like it's going to shape up to be a very comfortable afternoon. Here's a look at the forecast as we take you hour by hour. Right around 8 o'clock this morning, we'll have a good amount of sunshine, but temperatures in the lower 50s. So you'll still need your jacket for this morning, but by this afternoon, things start to really shape up. Look at mid-morning. We're up in the upper 60s, and then we go to around the mid-70s for midday. And there could be a few clouds in the sky, but I don't think it's going to be mainly cloudy in Brownsville or Port Isabel. I think there would just be a few clouds around. Really not a lot to limit the sunshine today as we head to temperatures in the mid-70s along the coast and the upper 70s and even low 80s the farther inland you go. It's very, very nice day, even though it is above average for this time of year. Normally we're right around 72. The reason for all the beautiful sunny skies that we have in the forecast, well, that's high pressure situated over the Gulf of Mexico. It'll continue to provide stable air in the atmosphere. So when you have stability, you don't have any type of rain or anything inclement in terms of weather. To our north, we have a cold front, but that's going to stay there. It's not impacting our forecast, but we do have a weak disturbance that'll come from Mexico. It'll kind of fizzle out before it gets here, but it does creep up the moisture just a little bit, so you'll see increasing clouds over the next couple of days. We are going to remain dry today, tomorrow, and by Friday, maybe a sprinkle or two with a 5% chance for rain, so really nothing too big to be concerned with. Even as we roll into the weekend, your rain chances remain small on Super Bowl Sunday, anywhere between about 10 and 20%, but you'll notice the cloud cover does get thicker by about Thursday and Friday and onward. So we will have temperatures lingering right around the mid-80s for the weekend ahead. Looking at high temperatures across the valley today, we'll be right around 80 degrees in Rio Grande City and Edinburgh, 81 in McAllen to 79 in Weslaco as well as Harlingen, 78 today in Raymondville to 77 in Brownsville, and 74 degrees on the island. Boaters and fishermen, absolutely great day to get out there and do any fishing. This morning, there will be a light chop on the bay. By this afternoon, it'll build to moderate conditions because the winds will pick up, become a little bit gusty with 20 mile per hour or even 25 mile per hour wind gusts today. So just be ready for that. Seas will stay between about 1 to 2 feet with no advisories. High tide for you fishermen is right around 6:29 this evening. Then overnight, we'll have a few patchy clouds. The winds are going to calm down a little bit. 61 will be your overnight low. And again, that patchy fog is possible through early morning tomorrow. Then we have plenty of sunshine on the way. 85 degrees turns to 84 by Thursday. Maybe a few sprinkles Thursday and Friday, but we'll hold in the mid-80s as we head into next week. And also Sunday, Monday, your rain chances stay low, so don't be too worried about it. 10 to 20%. Just have your umbrellas on standby. Your overnight lows will stay in the mid to lower 60s for the next 7 nights. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.